show you the way I prepare my Nigerian moi moi. Here are the ingredients that I use. You can see egg. I have crayfish, pepper, onions, cube, and groundnut oil. Now I will show you the way I prepare my Nigerian moi moi, my different methods of preparing it. Now guys, please do watch with me. Let me show you the way I prepare my Nigerian moi moi. And then I already watched the beef. Here's the beef. Already filtered the beef already. As you can see the hair on the beef. It's just for me to prepare now and put them in the bladder. Then I will start grinding them. Then after them, I will now put the necessary ingredients that's required to put. Now this is my first time preparing this Nigerian moi moi, but I've learned because I have to use different methods the way I prepare my moi moi. I've already fit, everything is fit already. Just watch with me guys. Now I want to grind the moi moi now. You can see it. I grind the moi moi. Then after this, I will now turn the moi moi and put all the ingredients inside. I'm turning little by little so that everything will dissolve inside one after the other, because I don't need to be rushed. I have to take my time so that the moi moi will look so delicious, guys. Now I can't wait to turn this moi moi. I can't wait to turn this moi moi. This Nigerian moi moi is so delicious. So delicious, guys. All I want you to do is for me to challenge you guys to do it. I challenge you guys to do it at home. You know, guys, many people using different methods to prepare the Nigerian moi moi. For me, this is the way I prepare mine. But I don't know for other people, because I prepare mine in the way it will look delicious, so that whoever that watch it and see the way I prepare it, they will follow the way I prepare it too, guys. Guys, please always watch with me so that you learn something from me. Watch with me. I can see it now. I'm still turning it. Now after turning it now, I have to put the moi moi on my sack that I'm using. I can see it now. I'm about to put them on the fire, put them one after the other. This is my sack that I want to use to prepare the Nigerian moi moi. In this my sack that I'm using, I have to put it in normal gauge, because if I put it high, the sack will explode. Because I have to put it normal gauge, then I'll put it little by little, then I'll now add the egg now. You can feel it. Then I have to tie it now. I'm putting one after the other. There's no rush. Then after this, I will now put them on the fire. Then I'll cover them for some minutes. You can see then I'm still putting them inside, little by little, because they have quality. Because you don't put it high, you have to put it average, so that everything will look perfect and well prepared, guys. God, I can't wait for this moi moi to taste it, guys, because my mouth now is just pitching me. I can't wait to taste it, guys. I can't wait to taste moi moi, because I take time to prepare it. I take time to prepare everything, all the ingredients that I'm using for this moi moi. Now I put the moi moi on the fire. I can see it now. It's about to go down. Moi moi is getting ready. It's getting ready, guys. Get prepared. Now I have to go and set the table, because moi moi is getting ready now, guys. It's getting ready now. You can see it now. It's boiling. It's getting ready, guys. I have to go prepare the table for the dinners, guys. I challenge you at home, guys. Prepare this moi moi. Learn how to prepare moi moi, Nigerian moi moi, and you will never regret it, guys. Now the moi moi is ready, guys. It's ready. Let me go and set it now so that we can start enjoying it together, guys. Now the moi moi is ready. You can see the yak of my moi moi. You can see the way it look like, guys. Wow, it looks so delicious, guys. To those who are first in my channel, you are really welcome, and don't forget to join my membership. Notice too small, notice too less, guys. Every week new video. I love you guys all. Bye.